Good afternoon. Today I'm going to be introducing the brand new redesigned 2019 Sea Ray 350 Sundancer. As you come in and take a look at this boat, one of the first things you'll notice is the optional hydraulic swim step. This allows you to lower and bring back a step that allows you easy access on and off the boat for not only yourself, but the family pets. Once you've gotten aboard an incredibly large integrated swim platform with the optional extended swim platform all on the same level. This gives you unmatched capability to even put sun chairs but entertain out here. Speaking of entertainment, when you're out for the day or the weekend and you decide that you want to have something cooked, the fully integrated recessed electric Kenyan grill and the wet bar give you the capability to truly enjoy your time on the water. As we look up, we do have the fully extended silent touch sure shade which retracts into the optional hardtop, giving everyone on the boat plenty of open air, but at the same time sun protection. As we come into the spacious cockpit, you'll notice the C-shaped seating arrangement with the grab rails down there in the case of rough water. There's optional table bases which give you not only the capability of having multiple tables, but you do have the option of having a full sun pad to make this into one large flying out area. This particular model has the new snap-in sea deck, which still has the drip flooring, which you can take out the sun pad, clean the floor, or just leave it as the fiberglass. When you have the exterior summer kitchen, you do get more of a beverage service area along with a trash compartment. This model does have the optional refrigerator along with the small ice maker on the bed. Moving forward, as you look to the starboard, you can see where we have the exterior cockpit television system set up. It has all of the connections, so you are able to watch your TV and listen to the game. As we pan upwards, you'll notice that this particular model was built with the optional retractable sunshade. So if you're out on a beautiful day like today, you can have as much sun as you'd like, but at the same time, you can close it off and get the protection you'd like. When you have reached your destination, the double helm seat is fully reversible, allowing you to have conversation with all of the people on boat with you. While underway or at rest, the portside lounger has long been one of the Sea Ray signature items, which ties in both the people in the rear along with the captain and passengers to the forward cockpit area. When we decide we want to go forward, an easy opening hatch, hydraulic assist, stainless steel grab rail enables me to walk forward on the wide, flat, forward bow area. This does come with two fully reclining individual lounge pads so that one can lay down, both can sit up, or both can sit down. Easy access to your windlass. You can operate from the footpads up front or from the rear inside the cockpit area. We do have two bullet speakers which were optioned for this boat. As we look to the dash, We do have the Simrad integrated chart plotter system. We have our standard Sea Ray gauges. The boat does have our Axius joystick control along with the skyhook features, which include skyhook, drift, as well as on anchor. Coming down into the 350 cabin, some of the changes, which will be subtle at first, where the main distribution panel was built into the head wall, it is now easy access behind the port side settee. You have a much larger flat screen TV, giving the captain opportunity to watch TV from the comfort of his bed. Sea Ray has integrated the curtain into its own storage compartment, allowing for a subtly diagonal but much larger memory foam mattress. On the starboard side settee, that does extend out to make a small sleeper, as well as provide access to the air conditioning system. Going over to our refrigerator, it's a larger refrigeration unit with a freezer ice maker integrated. We do have the Kenyon electric range. It does have the retractable pot holders, so in the event the boat is rocking as you're cooking, it will hold them stable. The Westinghouse convection microwave oven allows you to cook multiple items, as well as a very generous stainless steel sink. One of the unique integrations of the new 350 Dancer design is, rather than having just an open area to the aft of the boat, Sea Ray has made it a true closed second stateroom. This concludes our introduction to my favorite Sea Ray cruiser, the 350 Sundancer. Come on out, let's go for a ride. I'll bring the hamburgers.